A goal without a plan is just a wish. In business intelligence, having a solid project plan is the key to turning data into actionable insights. Today, we will focus on creating a detailed BI project plan from start to finish. In this lecture, you will understand the importance of a BI project plan, learn the phases of a BI project from data collection to insights, explore best practices for executing a BI project. A BI project plan provides a clear roadmap for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to meet business objectives. Without a plan, it is easy to lose focus, miss deadlines, or produce irrelevant insights. For example, imagine a company wants to understand customer behavior. Without a plan, the team might collect incomplete data or fail to align insights with business goals. A structured BI project ensures efficiency, clarity, and success. A BI project consists of several structured phases, each essential to turning raw data into actionable insights. Start by identifying the problem the project will address and the decision it will support. This ensures the project has a clear focus and achievable goals. For instance, if the objective is to increase customer retention, the scope might involve analyzing customer behavior over the past 2 years. Gather data from relevant sources such as databases, spreadsheets, or APIs. Clean the data to remove errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies, ensuring it is ready for analysis. For instance, a retail business might collect sales records, customer demographics, and product data and standardize the formats. Collect data from relevant sources, for example, CRM systems, surveys, sales records. Clean the data by removing duplicates and standardizing formats. Transform the data to align with project's objectives. Create a data model to organize and connect the data. This helps in identifying relationships and patterns. Build a schema to structure the data. Use BI tools to analyze metrics like trends, correlations, or outliers. For example, for a retail project, model the relationship between customer age, product preference, and purchasing frequency. Visualize the insights using charts, graphs, and dashboards. Choose visuals that directly answer the project's key questions. Select the most relevant metrics to display. Create interactive dashboards for deeper exploration. A dashboard for marketing project might include visuals like a line graph for ad campaign performance or a pie chart for customer segmentation. Translate the findings into actionable recommendations. Decision makers need more than raw data. They need clear steps they can take. Summarize insights into a concise report. Include recommendations based on the analysis. Insight. High value customers tend to churn after 6 months without engagement. Recommendation. Implement a loyalty program to engage customers before the 6-month mark. Involve stakeholders early. Ensure alignment on goals and expectations. Set realistic timelines. Break the project into manageable phases with clear deadlines. Test throughout. Validate data, models, and dashboards at each phase to ensure accuracy. Focus on actionable insights. Avoid overloading decision makers with unnecessary details. For your capstone project, you will create a BI project plan based on a real or fictional scenario. This plan will include objectives and scope, data sources and collection methods, a data model or schema, sample visualizations and dashboards, a summary of actionable insights and recommendations. Developing a BI project is like building a bridge. First, you define where the bridge will go, objectives. Then, you gather materials, data, create a blueprint, data model, and construct the bridge, dashboard. Finally, the bridge connects people to their destination, actionable insights. Just as a well-planned bridge serves its purpose for years, a well-planned BI project delivers lasting value. Create an outline for your capstone BI project plan. Include the objectives, scope, data sources, and a brief description of the visuals and insights you plan to deliver. In summary, a BI project plan is essential for turning raw data into actionable insights. We covered the phases of a BI project from defining objectives to delivering recommendations and discussed best practices for success. Let's discuss what type of BI project you would be most interested in working on. Can you think of a scenario where a well-designed BI project solved a major problem? Share your ideas in the comment section.